Hello world, this is Chris with Elevations, doing another unboxing today. As you can see here, this is the Acer CB272K. So this is a UHD screen or 4K screen, and obviously with the 27 in that model number, that is the 27-inch version. So it's the Acer Vero series. This is supposed to be a pretty decent screen, so I went ahead and bought two of them so we can see how this looks on a new office setup. So opening up the box, you can see right here on the top, we have some documentation, just what everybody wants to see. It looks like this is just some information from the factory as far as the calibration testing report. That's always fun to see. Alright, now it looks like we have a ton of styrofoam. So what kind of cables are included in this box? That is everything. So we do have a power cable here. Pull that outside the bag. So this is just your standard type power cable. Throw that off the side. Recycle these bags later. And this does come with a USB-C to USB-C cable. And one of the things that's nice about this particular monitor is it does have that USB-C input. And then it does come with an HDMI cable. I do not see a DisplayPort cable just yet, but we do have 3 of these cables included. So we have HDMI, USB-C, and our power cable. Set that off to the side. It looks like the easiest way to pull this out of the box is actually going to be just flipping everything upside down. So let's go ahead and do that. Flip it upside down, and then I will just pull it straight out of the box that way. And there we are. So it looks like down here at the bottom, we have the mount. Let's pivot this back around since it is so large to get that out of the box in this little workstation we have. There we go. That's a lot of styrofoam. At least this box did not come in another box, which seems to be the case in a lot of situations. Buying things on Amazon today. So you can see right there, there is the mounting arm as well as the base station. I'm likely going to be utilizing the Visa mount on this so we can mount it in a separate mount. Get rid of everything on the table. So let's pull this out and see what this arm is actually like. This is actually supposed to be a quite nice articulating arm that gives you the option of doing either horizontal or vertical. There we go. This is a pretty hefty arm here, as you can see. It's all steel. Obviously you can't tell the weight on the camera, but certainly has some good weight to it. Very adjustable. So you can see here it can slide up and down here. You can see the ball bearings in there. It looks like, yeah, we do have the ability to pivot. You can see the circle right there. Let's see the unlock and lock here. That goes into this piece. That's kind of nice. Yeah, this is actually a really nice arm. Unfortunately, I'm probably not going to end up using it all, but certainly nice to have that adjustability. Here at the base, we do have some wire management as well. Set that down and take a look at the actual base of that mount. So this is the base. So that arm you see we just unboxed there will fit right on top of that. The entire base here swivels. This is a really nice aspect here that they included. So it does swivel nicely. You have the capability of setting that. It does take up a lot of space on your desk, but it's a nice mount. All right, let's get into what we really want to see. Taking a look at the screen itself. Now that is a monster. Set that aside, get rid of all this styrofoam. Now, as I mentioned before, there is no DisplayPort cable. It does include those 3 cables, but not DisplayPort, even though that is one of the inputs. We'll flip that up and we can actually see that right here. So as we start taking that out of the bag, you can see at the bottom we've got the headphone jack, USB-C, that's your DisplayPort, and then your HDMI, and then you have your power and your on and off switch right there. There's a physical on and off switch, and then you should have another button right here. You have all the input selectors and everything right there. Take a look at this screen as we pull that off. Now that is quite gorgeous. Obviously it is an Acer screen, and I have had really good luck with Acer monitors in the past. So I saw these guys actually pop up on sale, and I decided just to grab a couple of these. We'll see what they do once we actually start putting them in production and get everything going. I might actually, for the sake of it, use this with this arm for a little while, just for the sake of making use of that really nice mount that it does come with. See how that works. It is so tall, it does get it really well off that desk, and again, it does have that ability to pivot to be horizontal or vertical, so that's nice to have. So again, this is the Acer CB272K, the Vero series. This is a 27-inch monitor. We're looking forward to putting this in use. 4K screen, really nice high definition capability. Looking forward to seeing what this does for all of our video edits and everything that we do here at the shop. Again, my name is Chris with Elevations. As always, I do hope you learned something today. Please like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching.